Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a question where most or many grade 4 students struggle with this algebra step. So let's say that you have this equation and you want to solve it. 3x plus 5 equals 20, and many students in grade 4 do this. Basically they write this. So basically they do not subtract 5 and they just do this, and then after that they try to divide, and they get this, and which is wrong basically. So this is wrong, and they forgot to subtract the 5 first. So what's the correct way? So let's say that we just cross this and say that this is wrong. So we're going to do the correct way. So how we're going to do the correct way? So first we just subtract 5 from both sides. So I have 3x plus 5, then I subtract 5 from left hand side and then 5 from right hand side. And then the next step would be that, okay, if I simplify that one, so the left hand side would be 3x and the right hand side would be 15. And then I divide both sides by 3. So x would be 15 equals 5. So you get the correct answer equals x equals 15 divided by 3, which is and 5 equals 5. So this is the correct way to solve the equation. The issue isn't intelligence, it's weak equation structure. And if your child struggles with these basic equations, message me assessment, and please follow my channel or subscribe for more questions like this. Thank you.